Hi guys, this is a short video where I'll show you how to put together this type of crop text using Cricut Design Space. These are very popular when making shadow boxes, t-shirts and cards. First, add text. I recommend using a font with a thick stroke. I'll be using Aldin, which is a Cricut font. Now I'll type Mom. I'll modify the dimensions and colors so you can see what I'm doing. Now I'll insert another text, preferably a handwritten type of font. You can use any font. I'll be using a font that I bought and has special characters that will link the words. The font name is Bashirak. Now I'll type the names and modify the dimensions so you can see clearly. I'll make the size of the font 200 points. Now I'll show you my whole screen so you can see that I'll open another window. I'll open the phone book. If you are using a Windows computer, you will open the character map. Now I'll look for the font Bashirak. This font comes with 5 sets. This font in particular has most of the special connector characters in lower cases. I can see the letter that I want is in set 1, copy the character, go back to Design Space. Now add text. I'll modify the dimension to 200 points so it matches the other. Now select the font Bashirat set 1. If I type C, I'll get the C with the arm at the end. I want the arm at the beginning, for that reason I pasted. Now I'll duplicate this layer. I will look in the font book the connector that I want. I can see that the character that I want is in set 4. I'll go back to Cricut Design Space and I will change the letter to the set 4. And I will type the letter E. I'll duplicate this layer because I know the A I want is from set 1. Select the names, go to the text panel, click on Advanced, and click on Ungroup to Letters. I'll delete the letters that I don't need. I'll modify this S to lowercase, delete the 8. Now I'll assemble the pieces. Select the names and click on Weld. Now move this layer and modify the dimensions. It should be wider than the word Mom. Now I'll add an offset. Be aware that this tool is only available on Design Space for the computer. I'll give it a 0.2 offset, click on Apply. Now use the contour tool to remove the little openings. I'll move this layer to the position that I want. Select both layers and click on Slice. I'll remove all the layers that I don't need. If there was any small pieces, I'll remove them with the contour tool. Now move the names in place. That's it. I hope you like it and you learned something new. If you are new to Cricut, I invite you to join the Cricut Corner group on Facebook. Have a great day.